Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you should get any video that I post. So you can also like the video if you find it useful to you. In this very video, I'm going to show you how to turn your art button to follow button. As you can see it on this my profile, you are seeing it at follow. Yes, you can see follow. So I know that on your own it is not showing like this. So how I'm going to show you to change it to follow button. So let me take you to my second account so that you can see it by yourself. Okay, let me log into my second account so you can see it by yourself. Okay, let me go to the profile so that you should see how it is. Before I will show you, let's view it as this is how my profile look like, my second account. Yes, so I'm going to change it to follow button so you can follow me step by step so that you can learn from it and change your own too. Okay, let's go back to settings. Okay, let's come to this three dot at the right corner of this phone. You can click it. Okay, here we can come to settings. Under settings and privacy, you can click on settings. Okay, after clicking on settings, you come down. You will now come down to privacy. Click on this privacy. Okay, you can see options here. You see the first one, who can see your future posts. 2, limit who can see your posts. The third one is who can see the people page and list you follow. The fourth one is who can see your stories. So this sixth one is who can send you friend request. So you click on it. Who can send you friend request? Click on it. Okay, how you can see it now. After coming here, you come and it is on everyone now, so you change it to friends of friends. Okay, click on it. Okay, after clicking on it, you now come like this, come back. You now come back to your profile again. Click on your profile, come to this three dot, view house. You can see it has changed to follow button. You can see it just changed now it just changed to follow button. So this is how to go about it. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if it is helpful to you. So go and implement it now. I have different videos that I'm going to be posting regularly, so subscribe to this channel, please and please. Thank you for watching.